Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tuqa and today I'll teach you two pronunciation markers, sukoon and shadda. And I'll teach you waw and ya as consonants. We've learned that waw and ya are vowels, are long vowels, but actually they function as consonants as well. So today we're going to learn about these two letters. And of course we're going to learn some new words. So let's get started. I'll start with pronunciation markers. We've learned three pronunciation markers before, which were short vowels, fatha, dhamma, and kasra. And today we're going to learn sukoon and shadda. First, sukoon. This rounded symbol is called sukoon. Sukoon. Sukoon means inactivity and calmness, and that's why sukoon has no sound. It only indicates the absence of vowels. We write sukoon on the top of letters. Let's see examples. J, d, jid. Thi, b, thib. Ju, b, jub. Ju, b, ta, jubta. Ru, j, tu, rujtu. Ra, ja, t, rajat. You can see that we never have sukoon at the beginning of a word. The first letter of all Arabic words always has one of the three short vowels, but again, it never has sukoon. And now, the second pronunciation marker, shadda. Shadda. Shadda is not a vowel, but as important as vowels. Ignoring shadda could change the whole meaning. Shadda is written on the top of letters, and we write it like this. Seems like rounded W, right? Well, actually, it doubles the sound of the consonant. So when you see this W shape, remember to double the sound of the consonant. Let's see an example. This is tha-ba-ta. Thabata. Thabata. Let's add shadda to the ba and it becomes tha-ba-ta. Thabbata. Thabbata. You can see that one letter might have shadda and a short vowel at the same time. Well, some people might think that if shadda doubles the sound of the letter, then we should say thababata. Thababata. Well, that's not true because shadda doubles the sound of the consonant but not the vowel. Shadda never affects the sound of vowels, not short ones nor long ones. Anyway, let's practice. Ba, tha, batha, batha. Ba, thu, bathu, bathu. Here we have dhamma and shadda, and ba, thi, bathi, bathi. Kasra and shadda. Well, there are two ways to write kasra and shadda, and both of them are correct and very common. The first one is writing shadda with a kasra below it, and both of them are put on the top of the letter. The second one is leaving kasra as it is below the letter and adding shadda to the letter. But be careful, shadda is always written on the top of the letter. It never goes below the letter. And now let's practice shadda. We have 5 pairs of words here. They have the same letters but with shadda and without shadda. Notice how the pronunciation changes when we add shadda. Jabat, jabbat, habat, habbat, خبت خبت تجد تجد جدي جدي. Now let's move to letters. We've learned that waw and ya are long vowels, but they sometimes function as consonants. So let's learn waw and ya as consonants. First, waw. Waw as a consonant sounds like W in English. So it is pronounced like W in the word wide or the word well. For example, ward, ward. Ward means flowers. You see, waw here has fatha, a short vowel, and that's because waw is a consonant here. It can be voweled. It might also have shadda or sukoon, as in zawj. Zawj. It is not zuj, it is zawj. Zawj means husband, and zawji means my husband. Zawji, zawji. Let's practice reading. وجد وجد زواج زواج زوج زوج جوي جوي وجود وجود. You see, here we have waw as a consonant and waw as a long vowel. Now, ya. Ya as a consonant has the same sound as y in yacht. For example, bait, bait, bait. Bait means home, so baiti, my home. Another word, ya Rab, ya Rab. It means, oh God. Maybe when we're praying or asking for forgiveness, we say, Ya Rab, Ya Rab, or Ya Rabbi, which means, oh my God, Ya Rabbi. So basically, ya here is used for addressing God or calling God. But in everyday language, we use ya to address people. We use it with their names. For example, Ya Ahmad, Ya Ahmad, or Ya Sarah. We can also use it with all forms of address and titles, such as doctors. You can call your doctor Ya Doctor, and you can also call your beloved one Ya Habibi or Ya Ruhi. However, this ya is optional in Arabic. You might use it and you might not. That's it for today, but I still have a small challenge for you. Well, the challenge is to write the word Toyota in the comments using Arabic alphabet. It is okay not to add short vowels, sukoon or shadda, but please try to use Arabic letters that you've learned with me so far. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Salam!